Look, we do have a level 2 for the Dallas-Fort Worth area on a 1 to 5, and then it's a level 3 to the south of the Metroplex. That's the highest risk we've seen so far this early season. So we're going to dive into timeline and all of that, but this area right here, south of the Metroplex, that's the best chance to see the most severe thunderstorms. So golf ball size hail, damaging wind gusts 60 to 70 miles an hour, and it may be a couple of isolated tornadoes tomorrow afternoon and early evening. We are staying alert for that risk, but tonight we're quiet. We have just a few clouds in the area. There's our storm system. Right now, it's just dragging in very dry desert air, but as it gets closer and closer to the Gulf of Mexico, that south wind will bring in Gulf moisture. So overnight tonight, clouds will increase from south to north as the storm system gets closer, and we'll even have a few showers and a couple of rumbles of thunder around tomorrow morning. So take a look. This is 11 p.m. See North Texas. Nothing's really happening, but watch what happens overnight. See that? That's the Gulf moisture streaming northward. That kind of sets that stage for a chance of thunderstorms tomorrow morning, where there could be just a couple. We don't expect severe weather tomorrow morning. There may be some rain around, so make sure you tune in early tomorrow morning to Greg Field starting at 4:30. He's tracking the very latest on the severe threat and what it means when you leave in the morning, because it's the Monday morning commute. There's always a problem somehow. Add rain into it, it gets worse. We get into the late morning, into the early afternoon, the thunderstorms will become more widespread. So you can see not all of these will be severe. A lot of this will be beneficial rain, but a couple of these embedded thunderstorms may be severe with that hail, wind, and isolated tornado risk. The risk really starts to ramp up when we destabilize in the mid-afternoon. So this is 3 p.m. You can see thunderstorms are widespread across North Texas, from Corsicana up to Gainesville. What we would like to see is widespread rain stay around a good portion of North Texas for most of the day. That would kind of keep the stability in check, so then we wouldn't have to worry about explosive thunderstorms late in the afternoon. But there still should be just enough there that we're concerned for that large hail risk, damaging wind risk, and isolated tornado risk. There's 5 p.m. Any of these individual cells, especially south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area through the evening, could be severe with those risks. Thunderstorms will continue through 7 p.m. So the drive into work tomorrow morning, a little messy. The drive home from work likely to be more messy with heavier rain. Then it kind of congeals into more just kind of a messy glob of showers and thunderstorms late Monday evening. Then it moves into East Texas by 10 to 11 o'clock. We're not talking about a stormy overnight Monday. We're done later in the evening. So we just kind of have to deal with this throughout the day, Monday and early evening. I want to revisit this map just to remind you, that's the area right here, the thunderstorms in this vicinity, the level 3, that have the best chance to become severe with these risks. Golf ball size hail, isolated tornadoes, wind gusts 60 to 70. Dallas-Fort Worth area, it's a level 2. Hail, number 1 concern. Damaging wind gusts, number 2 concern. Isolated tornado risk follows that. Flooding seems very unlikely. We're going to get a good amount of rain, and we desperately need it, but our ground should be able to handle this. It's a good widespread 1-inch-ish, if you will, for the Dallas-Fort Worth area and most of North Texas. Lesser totals to the west. If there's going to be a 2-inch, 3-inch, maybe up to 4-inch rainfall total, that's going to be in far east Texas by the end of Monday. So we desperately need this rain. Because of this, drought is not good. It's extreme drought across the Dallas-Fort Worth area, exceptional drought even peaking in. So it's not going to completely eradicate the drought. That would take 3 to 6 inches of rain, but it could put a dent in it, and we need that. Tonight, 53, breezy and not as cool. Tomorrow, 68 degrees, a few strong to severe thunderstorms. There's your 10-day forecast. Make sure you stay with us on air, through social media, on our website, WFAA.com. We'll keep you updated on the latest severe risk. Rain comes to an end Tuesday, 60 degrees. Then it's a gradual warm up and no more rain after tomorrow into Tuesday.